Hello, this is Virendra. I am available here with a thought, and that is very important thought. If you want to be successful in life, the first person who can be aligned with you, to encourage you and motivate you, make you very successful, will be your sweetheart or your spouse, because the history is full of this kind of evidence that there was the influence of a woman's love behind nearly every one of them. For example, Abraham Lincoln was a failure at everything he tried until he was well past the age of 40. He was a Mr. Nobody from nowhere until a great experience came into his life, arousing the sleeping genius within his heart and brain, and gave the world one of its really great men. The Emancipation Proclamation, the liberation of the slaves, and the Gettysburg Address of that great man who gave his life. All men are created equal. That was the philosophy of his life. The experience was mixed with emotions of sorrow and love. It came to him through Anne Rutledge, the only woman he ever truly loved. It is known from the fact that the emotion of love is closely akin to the state of mind known as faith. Love comes very near to the translating one's thought impulses into a spiritual equivalent. That is very truth. The emotion of love in the human heart and brain creates a favorable field for magnetic attraction. This causes an influx of the higher and the finer vibrations that was afloat in the ether. If you take the example of Napoleon the Great, his success was also mainly because of his sweetheart. The moment he was separated, his downhill started. So as you have been learning from auto-suggestion that any idea, thought, plan or purpose, what you are harboring in your mind can be put into physical equivalent. If you mix your these thought vibrations with faith, belief, confidence, that will be instantly translated into spiritual equivalent by the subconscious mind, and it will be communicated to the infinite intelligence, and your thoughts and dreams will be transformed into reality. So faith, the emotion of faith, the emotion of love, and the emotion of sex are the most powerful emotions which has been found by the psychologists. So whatever you want in life, you can achieve it with a definite purpose, with a burning desire, persistence, continuous action towards its realization. Your thought vibrations must be mixed with faith, and you will be successful in life. If you remember the famous QA formula, day by day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Thousands of people were cured, but innumerable people were not cured at all. Because when they were reciting those words, it lacked belief, faith, and conviction, and that's why it cannot bear the fruit. Faith is very important. With faith, you can achieve every impossible on this earth. As in Bible, the faith can move the mountain. You ask, you are given. You seek, you will be found. You knock the door will open for you. Dear friends, believe in yourself. You can do it with your power of personality, with conviction, daring, determination, courage. And for this you have to have open mind. Open mind can only permit these spiritual forces, the emotions of love, the emotions of faith, the emotion of sex, the courage, the conviction, that all men are created equal and your power of brain can give you whatever you like in life if it is properly directed and focused on the definite purpose of your life. Success is yours. You are born to succeed. You are extraordinary. You are great. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Have faith in yourself and faith in the infinite. May God bless you. You are success.